sprinkles, green and red. Can I have a taste?
Sure, just a little.
Can I have a taste?
Sure, just a little bit, okay?
Okay. Dough is from Pancakes, and Pancakes is good, so dough is good.
Welcome to At Home with the Fixits. Today we'll be making one of our favorite breakfast foods, pancakes. Now, a lot of people buy ready-made pancake mix, but you really don't have to. Making your own is very easy. I was hoping for the kids to be there, but they're still kind of asleep, so let's do it. So first you're going to be mixing the liquid ingredients, and that means you take 1 egg, you take 2 tablespoons of oil, any kind of vegetable oil, one, 2, a cup, that's 250 milliliters, of milk. Keep the milk out because you'll need some more. You give that a little whipping. Good. Now it's time to add the solid ingredients. So the flour, we're going to put a cup, 250 milliliters of that. Here I'll be using white flour. But you can also do a mix of half white flour and half whole wheat flour if you prefer. So fill the cup. Pour it in slowly as you whisk. Just keep mixing it till it's not lumpy. Then we are going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Some baking powder. In the US, where it's sold in jars, I put 2 tablespoons with these little bags. I just put a whole bag. I know it's a lot of baking powder, but it will make them nice and fluffy. A little bit of salt, half teaspoon of salt. And finally, you add 2 more tablespoons of milk. And that's it. Your batter is ready. You can also add some of your favorite ingredients. You can add a bit of poppy seeds, you can add a bit of chocolate chips, blueberries.
Did I miss anything? Yeah, it's a whole...
Yeah, Josie. I was making pancakes. I'm just about to start cooking them.
But it's like 6. Can I add my favorite topping?
Yeah, sure. Show me, what is it?
Hey, what are these? Wait. Hey, what's that? Okay.
I think they're like poppy seeds, aren't they?
Oh my god, no! I think they're cute little sprinkles, green and red. Can I have a taste?
Sure, just a little.
Can I have a taste?
Sure, just a little bit, okay?
Okay. Dough.
Alright, so how much is left after the kids had a taste? Won't be much, huh? We heat a frying pan or a griddle. If it's really non-stick, you probably don't need to add oil. Knowing this pan, I will add about a spoonful of it. Wait for it to get hot. I really wish we had more batter left, but I'm gonna see what I can squeeze out of this bowl. Oh well. I guess we'll make one pancake today. To find out when it's time to flip it over, you'll see it starts bubbling on the top. And when the bubbles stop breaking, it's about the right time to flip it. And the second side really doesn't take long. The bubbles are not bubbling anymore, so it's about time to flip it. It didn't stick much, so yeah. Just give it one more minute. Get a plate. And see, nice on both sides. Ready to eat.
I think it's because he's very tired. Hi, fishies. Hey! Their fish food is gone. I only have the food for that little guy. Maybe I should go back downstairs to get the sprinkles. It looks like those food and sprinkles are good. This should look good. Fishies, you can have your food. Oh no, Victor has been playing with it. Horrible stuff with fish food inside it. What will Dad say?